Hey guys, Mike and Blair here from Rust Brothers. We haven't been doing much lately, ever since Blair went up.
Obviously.
Anyway, we have what we call a CF,
Yeah.
a GS, a CF, a GS, FM, whatever, you name it. We got a gong show going here. So this is our plan. We've got to get this car into this booth this morning.
Well, this looks promising.
Yeah, this, well, we've got, anyway. So we've just got to move a little bit of stuff here.
All that stuff.
All
And
that.
you don't have a place to put it. Look. They cleaned out the far bay, right?
Yeah.
That doesn't mean you can just shovel it.
I know.
There.
All this stuff, our clutch and stuff, finally showed up for the Mopar. We've got our pass-on 3+1 overdrive Hemi tranny. Okay, anyway, so that's the plan.
But where are you going to put it?
Well, first of all, we're just going to shuffle it that way and then get the car in, right?
Where? Where are you going to put that? No, really. I mean,
We're just going
mess up the rest of the shit.
well, we're just going to shuffle it.
No shuffling. Just clean it. Find a spot for the stuff.
We don't.
Nobody knows what any of this is except you.
I know, but look here.
What's this?
68 Chevelle grill.
Hey, what's it doing here?
It's not. It's all going out. But for one thing at a time, Blair. Let's get the car in.
So you're just going to move all this crap over there?
No,
You're
I'm
not
just gonna-
actually cleaning.
Well, we're just going to. We have to get the car in. So I'm just going to set this camera up. I mean, look, we're halfway there. We almost have a path. Here, okay, here. We're going to just put this here. We're going to get the car in. And then while you actually start doing something productive, I'll start going through all this stuff. Look at this tool kit. Who would leave a mess like this?
I couldn't get at it.
This is mine, isn't it? Yes.
Yes, that one's yours.
Okay, it's going back in the drawer where I know where it is.
Yes, what's this?
What is that?
Like,
We're almost there, Blair.
look, man.
Success is within our grasp. Okay.
I'm starting to doubt that.
Hey, who broke this vacuum and never fixed it?
I don't know who broke that, actually. I broke the drill press. Oh, I cut the end off it, but we don't have an end to put on it.
Okay, I'll get one.
Right?
Yes. And how did the end get broken?
I have no idea, actually.
You wrapped it around, didn't this?
No, I broke the drill press.
Oh, okay,
I
okay.
didn't break that.
Yeah, you did.
So we need another end for the drill
We need
press.
two ends. Okay, two ends. Look at that. Look at all that space.
Hey, you're just filling up that empty bay. No way, man.
Okay.
Like, really?
Okay. We're just making a little room. Hey, look, at least we have room to move stuff. Put them in your toolbox. You got a box them. Here, just stick them in the top drawer, the bottom second drawer. Oh, I've been looking for that dustpan for days.
Yeah, right. Sure. It was like you were looking for a brush,
It's
right?
under your toolbox. Here, where are we gonna put the blow? Here, we'll put two in, and then I'll keep one in mine. Okay, here.
No, you gotta grab them by the end. See?
I should know that.
Where's the razor blade?
Okay.
You got a knife on you?
Yes. What's that?
I don't
Oh,
know.
priceless.
My toolbox. Like, what the
Priceless. You need that.
You've
I
just been
think we
using
should
this.
keep.
You've been using this. As
You
a
just
dumpster.
threw it on the
There's
floor.
a pile of garbage right there. Oh, jeez. This is not a good toolbox.
Okay, was this your old one?
No, that's your old one.
No, my old one's the white one in the case. Spare. This is a good one. Got enough welding helmets for an army.
No. What are these freaking things?
What? Oh, that was for when we were at Vegas at Indy. That one's broken. Okay, I think we got rid of this one. Is this broken?
Okay,
No.
so I mean, to do that door, I could take your freaking door off.
Yeah, it has to get readjusted anyway. It'd be nice to do the door.
But I mean, it'd be
Okay,
nice.
I put the thing up there against it.
Well, yeah, I should have looked.
Yeah.
Holy I opened the door to see which one needed the wire.
Yeah. So what just happened, Blair? Oh my God. Oh, look what you did.
You set up a freaking trap for me. I mean, the whole place is traps. Do something.
Anyway, we weren't going to repaint the door before going to SEMA, but now Blair is racked by guilt.
Wow.
What do they say? Just a scratch, Blair. It's just a scratch. Okay. Is this Cassidy's or ours?
Oh, I got stuff for Cassidy. Oh, yes. And I have her table sitting out there.
All right, that table.
Who's going next to Cassidy's shop?
Don't know. It's going to be one of us, probably me. Special shout out to the guys at California Ford Duster. Very nice guys. They gave me one of these. I got to move all that stuff. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, but well, once we get this car in here, we got all this room. Look at the room we're going to have, big fella. Cheer up. It could be worse.
Oh, it will.
Hey, I'm only here for a week. It should be.
Okay. This is your stuff? Ooh, dig that. Yes.
somebody here.
Sought after camping in the woods coffee mug.
Yeah, this window, when it goes down, it doesn't come back up.
It's like if we just had a few more days.
What we do now, we got a week. Blair, your wish is my command. You got a week, buddy.
Mike! Is that freaking steak that's been sitting here for 2 weeks? Like, holy s***.
No, that's beef jerky. I put it up there so honey didn't eat it. That was venison jerky. I know. Probably been sitting here for 2 months. Hey, we're aging it, and now, you know how the English used to hang the pheasant by the neck till the head come off? Yeah, that's
What's this, man?
Oh, that was a good luck charm for the newfies.
Oh, far up.
Here, I'm gonna hang it back in the car.
Oh.
It got me all the way across the country.
You did. That's good.
That's right. It was my anchor. Pardon the pun. Maybe that was an option. Maybe a radio was an option. Okay. And there's not that much left in here, is there? No.
Yeah, you got Bobcats started?
No, well, I was gonna wait till I got the car in there. Then we'll move.
You're just gonna throw that in the bin, eh?
Why? You don't need this piece?
No, I meant the motor.
No. It's hard to find.
It's been sitting there for over a freaking year. A year.
How long did this car sit in that guy's shed? 15 years. It's Asian. It's like a wine.
And what are you doing?
It's gonna be when I take the one to get rebuilt, I'm gonna take them a couple on, they can use the best block. Right? Like you can't find them, they haven't made them in 40 years.
You find one for last year. It's right freaking there. So we gotta put it somewhere. Out. That's neat. Now this is gonna take out a freaking eye.
You put your left foot in. Oh yeah, don't lose that. Those are for the cowle hood, right? Look at that! Brand new socks. Yeah, baby.
Oh
Gentlemen for Hayes.
Nice.
That was like worth all the work. I might put on them now. Mine are ones I'm wearing are a little
You
right.
should.
Ones I'm wearing are a little right. Let's see.
What are you doing? I just put this at the back door. You brought it back?
No. Did I? No. It's
Crap.
no, that's good stuff. It's all labeled. Just don't know what it is. We'll find out. We will find out. God is my witness. Oh, there. Oh. Hey, look, I was wondering where this was. We have two of them now. You know what that is? Come on. You failed. The louver for the hood.
Yeah, I kinda knew that. I didn't want to give you the pleasure that I might be learning.
We're turning Blair into a car guy against his will.
Like, how am I supposed to get the freaking toolbox now?
We're gonna shuffle this back with the car's in. Blair! Every little thing's gonna be alright.
Yeah, thanks.
Don't you worry. Sing it, Bob. You should listen to Bob more. Don't look fun into the song.
Wazoo.
Well, it's about time we organized this gong show, Blair.
Yeah, well, I could. If you just gave me authorization, she'd be cleaned up pretty
Oh, I
quick.
know, but it cost me 20 grand in parts. I have to buy it. Where are we gonna put all this transmission stuff?
Yeah. Yeah, where are you gonna put all the transmission?
Let's get the car. Well, here, let's just move it to here so we can get the car in. Then I'll go put it out in a container all in one pile. And it's all for the Coronet RT. It's the Hemi 4-speed setup, right? Well, there should be good. Okay. Victory is ours.
Okay, so we're putting it in here.
Yeah,
I'm gonna lift the body off the frame,
yeah,
and then we're gonna just pick up that other frame and bring it in.
yes. Okay, I'm gonna go fire up the skid steer. I'll bring the booth, the bin back and get rid of all this garbage. I'll make some floor space. Then I'll start going through this. Well, we're just gonna gonna put the car in and just take the door and the hood off.
I gotta do both.
Yeah. So that way I still want to go over the car a little more, so whatever, we can leave the car there. Yes?
Yeah, okay.
And then all that there, we can just put it all on one side and put a piece of plastic over it, downwind. We'll have the two pieces up here, then we got lots of room and the spray can go past it. We don't have to shuffle that stuff. What do you think, big fella?
Lovely. Freaking lovely.
Good to see you in such a good mood. Fuck, you need more mental health breaks, Blair. Look, victory is ours. Well, kind of. Anyway, so you're gonna pick it up here. We'll just leave this here.
I'm gonna lift the body off. I'm gonna call Vance and see if he wants a Thunderbird seat.
Yeah, or we could just go put it out in the garbage.
Yes.
I hate to, though.
Yeah, I know you do.
Well, we'll throw it outside just to get it out of here for the time being, and I'll put an ad in
you want?
Kijiji, just free. Yeah, well, free, come and take it.
Always say that.
Well,
And then you go on Kijiji and you buy another car.
okay, we'll go, different site, Facebook Marketplace.
Mike,
Yeah,
need a hand here.
hey,
Lifting this hood off.
okay.
I'm gonna lean it up against some place that you can't fall over and scratch the car.
Once bitten, twice shy, Smith.
Yes.
Where? How about right here? No, yes, no?
On its side.
Yeah,
Put
yeah.
your side down first.
Oh, okay, we'll spin it
your
around.
side down.
Oh, yeah, well, we're gonna lean it up, so.
Okay, but I was gonna put the good side.
Oh, okay, okay. What's my fingers? I only got 10. Okay. Okay, yeah, there's a nice hood. And it's an original one. Is this Buick stuff? No. Chevy stuff? No. No, this is a Buick frame. That's right. This is probably a Buick frame too. Just because of the drums. Right, they're all ribbed.
What's the white one up there? What year is that? We took the frame up from under it.
That's that one. This is the frame, this one came with the two-door frame.
But it's a Buick frame?
Well, I'm guessing it's got Buick drums, where it's got Buick front end parts.
How do you know that?
Because of the drums, they're all ribbed, right? Oh no, just the back is. Okay, this could be Chevy, but the Buick ones are, that's why they use
Well,
the
that's a
one.
whole drum.
Yeah, right, I mean, the parts that we took off, right, they're all ribbed all the way around. It was a Buick thing for better cooling, right?
Okay, well, I've got to unbolt
Okay.
the rad sport and all that crap and start over on the new frame. Okay, steering's got to be unhooked. I could do it up here. That's a little simpler. Normally I just take it off at the rag joint here. Undo 2 bolts. Yeah, I just hate having this. Wow, it's not for very long. Yeah, I'll just undo the rag joint.
So it wasn't attached, it was just sitting there?
Oh, this floor is so rotted out, it just fell off.
No, is it?
No.
I didn't think so. I mean, look, right? They did a couple patches, I think.
Wow, nice work.
Yeah.
I couldn't even tell. I thought it was a new floor pan.
Give yourself a pat on the back.
Yeah.
Plan to work, it works to plan.
Well,
Okay.
so you're not moving any of this crap here. That's just forever.
Yeah, eventually. Haven't you ever heard the phrase, good things take time? Okay,
That just never happens.
let's get the road runner out of here.
Okay, so that means we're gonna move all this crap. Remember the Rust Bros shuffle I was talking about? So you're gonna shuffle all this crap.
You put
back
your
up
left
to the...
foot in, you put your...
Oh yeah. So we're gonna put the orange car out here.
Yeah. Well, you gotta paint my roof. If you hadn't damaged my door, we wouldn't have had to.
You set me up for that.
Anyway.
Okay.
Well, now, I mean, this thing is not coming out anymore for a while, right? So it's, we can just shuffle all this stuff